Class of 2027 Ring Design Committee is honored to present the Virginia Tech Class of 2027 Fay H. Street Ring Collection. Named for the ideals that carry us through our years as a class and create Hokie spirit for the future. The Virginia Tech Class Ring has been redesigned by each class every year for over a century. Introducing the 2027 Class Ring, the Street. Created to highlight our experiences as a class and as Hokies.
The university side is inspired by revered symbols from rings past and remains constant, carrying forward 150 years of tradition through future rings. 8 stars salute the 8 Virginia Tech alumni awarded the Congressional Medal of Honor. Flanked by the flags of the United States and the Commonwealth of Virginia, Burris Hall, completed in 1936, stands proudly over the drill field as the historic foundation of campus. Our motto, Ut Prosim, that I may serve, sits atop Torgerson Bridge, the gateway to the drill field. The Corps of Cadets crest embodies the tradition upon which the university was founded as an all-cadet military academy. The university shield, created in 1896, represents the agricultural and mechanical emphasis in the university's first century. The 1872 shield mirrors the shield on the first class ring, designed in 1911. The pylons represent the core values of Virginia Tech: brotherhood, honor, leadership, sacrifice, service, loyalty, duty, and ut prosim. The cenotaph bears the names of the Congressional Medal of Honor recipients. Lest we forget is etched on the rock, a memorial on Upper Quad honoring the Virginia Tech alumni who gave their lives during World War I. The Screaming Eagle, featured on every class ring since 1911, grasps crossed sabers, reminding us of the university's military heritage, history, and traditions. 3 stars represent Hokies past, present, and future.
Designed to embody our unity, the 2027 class side serves as a physical representation of our years shared at Virginia Tech. 32 Hokie tracks circle the ring in remembrance of the 32 lives lost on April 16, 2007. Hokies gathered on the drill field in spring of our freshman year to witness the total eclipse, sharing a rare moment of stillness beneath the darkened sky. The New River winds through the mountains, like our own paths, full of life's twists, challenges, and unexpected joys. Surrounded by the Blue Ridge Mountains, our time at Virginia Tech is shaped not just by classrooms, but by the skies, trails, and beauty around us. For the first time in over 2 decades, Lane Stadium was evacuated due to intense rainfall that flooded the stands. The Upper Quad, grounded in tradition, rises with pride. Each step on its bricks honors the Corps of Cadets and the values that shape who we are. Lane Stadium pulses with life, Every chant, every key shake for every third down echoing the heartbeat of Hokie Nation. Elizabeth Kitley led our women's basketball team to its first ACC title and a historic Final Four. Her jersey now hangs in Castle, and her record-breaking college career made legendary Hokie history. We charged into the Military Bowl and claimed a 41-20 victory over Tulane, rekindling Hokie spirit across campus and beyond. Metallica storms Worsham Field, playing Enter Sandman live on our turf, lighting up a night of music, tradition, and Hokie energy in Lane Stadium. The class of 2027 invites you to live our class motto, Mutatia Crastina Esto, be the change of tomorrow. The Southgate Bridge stands tall, greeting us as we arrive and sending us off with pride. Hokies stepped up through Hokies for Hurricane Relief, a student-run organization answering the call of Ut Prosum with action, compassion, and care following Hurricane Helene. Thousands of Hokies come together to embody Ut Prosum during the big event, an annual tradition where Hokies give back to the New River Valley community. The Class of 2027 Ring Design Committee is proud to present the 117th Virginia Tech Class Ring. This lifelong symbol of Hokie pride is now a part of the extraordinary lineage of rings past, each a remarkable chapter in the history of Virginia Tech.